Only 1% of people can guess all 8 birds correctly in just 90 seconds. Can you score 8 out of 8? First one. Parrot. Second one. Eagle. Third one. Sparrow. If you got the first 3 questions correct, hit the like button. Fourth one. Owl. Fifth one. Flamingo. Sixth one. Peacock. If you got the first 6 questions correct, subscribe to the channel. Seventh one. Toucan. Final question. This one's my favorite. Let's see if you can get it right. Eighth one. Duck. Comment your score out of 8 below. If you got the last question right, let us know in the comments. Share this quiz with a friend and see if they can beat your score.